and welcome to another Air Code 429 tooling video. Today I'll be quickly demonstrating how to export virtual machines from VMware Fusion using the OVFTool command line utility. VMware Fusion does not provide a way of exporting virtual machines through their graphical user interface. So in order to export virtual machines, we need to use the command line. So as you can see, I have 4 virtual machines in my VMware library. So in order to export one of these machines, we need to use the OVF tool. So the first thing we need to do is navigate into the directory where this tool is located. And if you're running a Mac, it will be in the Applications, VMware Fusion App, under Contents, Library, VMWare OVF Tool. Go ahead and hit Enter. Do a quick PWD to show that. Now, the next command we want to run is the following. We'll enter OVF tool as the command line utility. If we do a quick ls, you'll see the tool is in this directory. So what we don't want to do is run that tool. If it's your first time, you'll need to accept all end user license agreements. The next argument you'll pass is the actual location of the virtual machine that you want to export. In my case, I'll be exporting my CentOS virtual machine. And then the second argument is the placement of the newly created image. So there's a couple different options we can pass here, and the very last argument, if we want to export our virtual machine in OVF format, we just simply give it the extension OVF. We can export it as an ISO. We can export it as a vmdk. So whatever technology that you need to import this image into, that is the extension that you can give it. So all we need to do is hit Enter, and the process of exporting and writing the virtual machine to your desktop or whatever location you specified is shown under disk progress. So this takes a little bit of time. I will go ahead and pause the video and return when it is finished. Back, and the virtual machine has completed. It is now located in the desktop directory right here, along with all of the other files as well. So depending on what extension you give it, it will export all the other necessary files. So now that we have this successfully exported from VMware Fusion, we can upload this into whatever technology you'd like that takes these different extensions. I hope this tutorial was useful, and if you like this video or any other videos, subscribe to my page and give me a like.